You had a lot of tools out.
Yeah.
That's
how hard it was.
You're getting freaky because there's a lot of different hardware in here. A lot of different sizes just to do the water pump. So you have one bolt left, and it's conveniently located down below. So Xander's going to raise the car and take care of that, which is fine because Adam brought this car's twin, and we need to swap the wheels anyway. So while it's in the air, we might as well do that real quick. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and while that's in the air out front, we can change the oil on it too. And then get that done. See?
Multitasking.
Multitasking.
I'm having
Twinsies.
a lot of fun, as you can tell.
Yeah, you've been a busy little boy over here.
Slaving away.
Slaving away. Is your name Kunta Kinte?
Got like 6 different syllables. And clicking and...
Oh my god. Oh, and this is how we're gonna get banned off of the YouTubes. So it's gonna go up. Xander's gonna get the last bolt. And we'll do the wheel swap and oil change on the other one too. Because all parts are on the way. There's a big bin of parts. The parts store says they have a tote full of stuff for us. So be ready. All right, so upsy daisy. Sure.
Hi.
Howdy. You said you've pulled out?
Yeah, I pulled it out.
Ooh, there we go. Wowee.
It only took like 4 hours.
Yeah, it was a battle. Damn, son. Flip that over and let me take a look here. Yeesh. Fun. There's our pulley. Our pulley friend. Yay! Alright, you want to get the new one out of the box? Just take a gander. Let's take a little gander. And we have the wheels off because we have the Adam's other twin of this. We're going to swap the wheels. Oh, look. Hey, Xander, what's that look like?
The penis.
That's the spirit. You should send a picture of that to your old lady. There you go. All right, we know it's the right size. Cool. Seeing that one has that hole too.
Yeah.
So even the OEMs use the hole. All right, pump should be behind the car. It's in a white box. You want to go grab that?
Maybe.
Let's check it. Check it out, man. There they is. There they is. Look at built-in timing mark. That's it. That's on the money. There we go. All right. So in a little bit, Xander's going to start putting this baby in. But it's here. Hooray, 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 hooray. Xander, you're going to have a blast cleaning that.
Uh-huh.
Sure. Ugh. Waterlogged.
Uh-oh. You say waterlogged.
Yeah, it's a water pump. Ew.